So simplifying in math usually means making things as compact as you can. But just in case, make sure you know your instructions if this is your problem you're looking at. Some teachers might want you to be multiplying this out and expanding it. So the only thing we can really do to simplify, because if you do multiply this out, it gets pretty messy and pretty long. There's a lot of unlike terms. You can factor this actually. This is a trinomial, and it's factorable because you have two x squared pieces. Sorry, not two x squared pieces. We get x squared and a y squared. So we can do it like this actually. X plus y times x plus y. If you multiply that out, you get x squared plus xy, giving us two xy's plus y squared. And the way I was able to identify that was I just looked at the front and the back of the trinomial. I noticed they were both being squared, so I knew I could start one in the front and one in the back. And then I would normally just have to consider what the coefficients would be on this number, so that maybe things needed to be different. But in this case, since they're both 1 and this is a 1, then this has to be a 1, this has to be a 1, this has to be a 1, that has to be a 1. That way, when you multiply a y times a y, you get y squared and not 2y squared or something like that. So now that we've got it factored, you just have to note that you're taking something and multiplying it by itself. So it looks like that. That's our final answer.